Alright, so first I'm starting off by adding this conditioner to my hair, and this is by Can 2, and I'm just going to be finger detangling that throughout my entire head. And then I'm just going to be taking this thin tooth comb and taking the wider tooth part of the comb and combing out my hair. Now I am taking the Can 2 moisturizing cream and adding that to my hair, and then I'm just going to finger detangle that through my entire head. And I don't need to use that comb again because I already detangled with that already, so my hair is already detangled. So now I'm taking this Bell Curls curl defining cream and repeating that same process. So I'm using that comb and I'm combing out my hair again just to make sure it is fully detangled. And now I'm going to create a side part, and a very deep side part at that. And then I'm going to be adding some of my Africa's Best Argan Growth Oil to my hair, and I'm just going to add enough just to cover my entire head. And now from the side part, I'm going to part my finger downward and then split that section into two. And then those two sections, I'm just going to flat twist them. And as you go, you make sure you want to add some more product to your hair and then comb out your ends as well. And I thought somebody was in my house, but I guess I was just tripping. But now I'm just going to comb out the ends of my hair, and then I'm going to twirl it around my finger after I finish twisting, and I'm just going to repeat the same process on this next section. And now I'm going to part down the other side of the side part, and then split that into two as well, and then do two more flat twists. And then after that, I'm just going to do regular twists in the back of my head just so it can be more defined. That makes sense. So now I'm just adding these white permas to the ends of my hair. And you want to make sure you're adding them in the same direction, so wrap your hair around it in the same direction every time so you get the same curl around your entire head. So now it is the next morning, and this was about 8 hours later, and I'm just going to take off all the perma with oil all over my fingers. And then after I take out all the perma, I'm going to add more oil to my fingers and then just separate, fluff, and that's pretty much it. I can take it no more. No, you ain't like them bitches, tell them